Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Shanae, so please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how I installed this wig that I received from Nadula Hair Company.
A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
So jumping straight into this video, I'm quickly going to show you what I received in my package. So I received a wig cap, an edge control brush, some earrings, eyelashes, and I also received a bag to store the hair in. So this is how the hair looked in the packaging. This was Brazilian hair. I got 26 inches and this was a jerry curl texture. So as you can see, the hair is like a honey blonde highlighted wig. It came with 2 clips on the side. It had a clip at the back. It also had the adjustable straps, which is always great. This wig was a 13x4 frontal wig, and I'm just showing you guys the part and how the lace looked on my skin. I just loved how full this wig was. The density was perfect, the color was perfect. I just loved it. So for my frontal wig installs, I always start off with having 6 flat straight back braids, and then I go in with my 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐘 free spray as always, and I'm just gonna pull back all the hairs at the front, that way it doesn't get affected by the glue. So I basically repeat that step on the next side, and then I go in with my wig cap, pull it down all the way, and I just make sure it's covering my ears, and then I go ahead and I'm going to apply my true glue. And I'm just going to apply the glue around the perimeter of my hairline. So normally I cut out this portion and put my ears through before I apply the glue, but I was real hot, so guys, please just bear with me. So I'm going to make sure I cut the holes, put my ears through, and then I am going to, you just need a flat surface just to smooth out the glue. I'm using the back of my razor, but you know, you could use your tail comb, anything like that. I am also just going to cut a piece of the wig cap because it was real tight on my head. So that's what you see me doing. Now I'm just drying the glue, and then you'll see me using my foundation, and I'm just applying it all over the wig cap. So once that's all done, I'm just going to go ahead with a small pair of scissors, and I'm going to cut the rest of the wig cap off that's left at the front. So that's exactly what you see me doing here, and you want to cut it real close. So the leftover piece of the cap you can just cut off because you do not need them. Now I'm just going back in with my foundation and I'm just spreading it all over the front of the lace. And don't forget to also cut the back portion of the lace off. Now as you can see, I'm about to put the wig on. I'm just spinning on my head, making sure that it fits. You don't need to do this part, but I'm just cutting off some of the lace. It will just help me see better. So much lace is not in my face. And I'm also cutting around my ear, getting rid of the extra lace. I'm just using the makeup that I had previously on the brush, and I'm just brushing it along my hairline. And now I'm going into my hot comb and I'm smoothing the hair back just so that everything, all the little hairs are out the way. So when I'm ready to glue down, this wig, I don't have any small little hairs in my wig. So I'm going to be using my True Glue again, and I'm just spreading it along my hairline where the wig cap ended, and I'm using the back of my tail comb just to smooth it out, as you can see. You can use as much layers of glue as you like, 1, 2, 3, even 4. I'm only using 2 layers of glue for my install. That's how much layers I normally use. So you're just seeing me apply another layer on top of the one that I just did. So I'm just going in with my comb, and as you can see, I'm kind of pressing the comb down as I comb into the glue. And here you see me doing the exact same thing, except for now I'm going over it with my hot comb. I always use my hot comb. And once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and apply my band. And the band is just helping me melt the lace. So now, as I let the wig sit and dry, I am going in with my wax stick and my hot comb, and as you can see, I'm just parting the front of the hair where the lace is, and I'm putting my wax stick on the hair, and then I'm using my hot comb and I'm going over it. This allows the hair to just lay flat. So next, I'm just going in with my razor and I'm cutting off the extra lace that wasn't glued down. So that's exactly what you see me doing here. So now I'm going back in with my free spray and I'm just spraying my hairline, and then I'm going to use that same band that I just took off and I'm going to put it back around and let it sit for a while. So now it's time to wet the hair, guys. So I'm using my spray bottle and I'm just going through and wetting this hair. These curls look so nice when it's wet. So I went ahead and applied some of this argan oil mousse into my hair and I just scrunched it up. This allowed my curls to stay. This is my favorite new curl product. Using the end of my tail comb, I'm just going to make sure my part is straight, and then I'm going to go back in with my hot comb and just comb the top portion. Once I've done that, I'm going to start creating my baby hairs. So once I finish creating the baby hairs, that is basically it. That is the finishing touch for the hairstyle. The hair is curly, obviously. So yeah, let me know how you guys feel about this colored wig. I love it. I love the color. I love the curls. They were super, it was tight and long. That's what I really liked about it. And it was colored, and I had to do no coloring. So guys, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you know when I drop my next video. And yeah, like this video. Let me know what you guys like to see next. So if you're interested in this hair, don't forget to check out my description box. All the details will be listed down below. And that is it for today. Shout out Nadula Hair for this bomb wig. And like I said at the end of this video, period.